Where and how to hire a data entry clerk in the Philippines. Quick guide. Data entry is essential in every industry, from e-commerce to healthcare. But instead of overwhelming your team, why not hire a dedicated data entry clerk in the Philippines? Here's a 5-step process to help you find the right fit. Step 1. Identify your needs. Do you need general data entry or industry-specific skills? Clarify your goals, like improving accuracy or saving time, to find the right talent. Step 2. List the tools you use. Whether it's Excel, CRMs, or Shopify, list the tools your team works with so you can hire someone who's already proficient. Step 3. Know what to look for. Look for fast and accurate typing, attention to detail, strong communication, and organization skills. Certifications and relevant experience are a plus. Step 4. Write a clear job description. Use specific titles, for example, e-commerce data entry clerk, list benefits, and ask screening questions to filter serious candidates. Step 5. Interview and onboard. Ask candidates how they handle large data volumes or maintain accuracy under pressure. Then onboard them with clear expectations and feedback. Top companies to hire data entry clerks in the Philippines. KDCI Outsourcing. Known for skilled data entry professionals in niche roles like accounting and e-commerce. Outsource to Selsat, ISO certified, and hires only the top 1% of data entry talent. Stealth Agents offers full-time virtual assistants trained in fast, error-free data entry. Unity Communications, ideal for companies needing scalable expert teams across various functions. OnlineJobs.ph, a DIY platform where you can post jobs or search for Filipino freelancers. Need help hiring? Partner with KDCI Outsourcing. We handle the hiring, training, and management for you. Get a reliable, accurate, and efficient Filipino data entry team today. Contact us to learn more.